A camera developed by Carnegie Mellon University can see sound, and NASA scientists, for the first time, were able to hear black holes. Hey, Based Science, Trevor here. This is bite-sized content. Researchers in Bristol are using moth wings for noise cancellation, which perform better than traditional sound panels. The wings absorbed up to 87% of sound, and early testing is being done to make a panel that can quiet our cities. Application in residential areas are also being explored, opening the door to a quieter future. And researchers at Carnegie Mellon University have developed a camera that can see sound and reconstruct sound from images. The camera is designed to isolate sound from background noise and can even be used to pick up individual instruments in an orchestra. We've invented a new way to see sound. It's a new type of camera system, a new imaging device that's able to see something invisible to the naked eye. Quantum microphones have been developed and produce clear sounds, and humans can hear the difference. Scientists at the University of Stuttgart, Germany, believe that the microphones can be used to better hear black holes, which NASA has already captured for the first time, and the results are terrifying. By analyzing gravitational waves, NASA was able to convert vibrations in space into sound audible to the human ear. Engineers in Japan have figured out a way to pick up and move objects using only noise, dubbed optical tweezers. This technology has promising applications for both medical and nanotechnology, where manipulating objects without touching them is necessary. Now I'm going to leave you with a projector, levitated with optical tweezers. And as always, thanks for watching.